How would you like to learn from a legend in the internet marketing industry? Actually, let me rephrase that. How would you like to learn from 6 legends in the internet marketing industry? This is an exclusive offer that nobody else is going to be able to give you right now. I'm the only one who's got it. I am going to hand to you for $7 the opportunity to learn from one of the biggest names in the industry, Dan Kahn. Everything you know. So I've checked this thing out. Boy, is this thing a complete package. It's going to be $7 to pick it up. But when you pick it up from me, and exclusively from me, I'm also going to give you access to my brand new package called The Great Speak. In this package, you're also going to hear courses from Marlon Sanders, Fergal Downs, Johnny Rhodes, Cam Jennings, and me. So you're going to get 6 legends of IM who are going to be teaching you everything that they know for $7. If that's interesting to you, stay with me. I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of Affiliate Legion. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Cameron. I know the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me by my Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead my jokes. They're stale. I get it. I tell boring, stale jokes the same thing day in and day out. You know, just throw away a whole bucket of pretzels that I had sitting on my desk because they were stale. And even those weren't as stale as my jokes are. But okay, well, seriously, if you aren't into the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my eyes? Plus, very, very simple to make sure that you don't have very much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart. Seriously, you know, this is getting on my nerves. Okay, you do this all the time, again and again and again. You know how annoying that guy is, again and again with the same stupid comments over and over again. Bart, get a new line. Seriously, new line. Seriously, if you are new, with these words, if I like a product, I will give a tip on my hat to the product creator. If I don't, I'd like next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Oh, why, thank you, Liz Lemon. Liz, she is a sweetheart. You know, she used to be a fellow New Yorker. I used to live in New York. I still love New York. It's a great town. It's got its problems right now, of course, but it's still a really, really nice town. But I now live in Western Pennsylvania and own a beautiful house in a beautiful small town that I absolutely adore. I am very, very happy here. And but Liz, you know what? Hey, she's a great person, so I can't really get angry at her. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for Affiliate Legion, this is from my friend Dan. Dan is a legend in the IM industry. You can see here $45,000. That's from Warrior Plus. Lifetime earnings $738,000. Now I've got good earnings too, but you know what? He's still got me beat on these numbers. Okay, he really does do incredible stuff. But of course, that these two are just this is just one of the people you're going to be learning from. As I mentioned, I'm going to show you the members area for Affiliate Legion in just a second. But before I do, I wanted to tell you again, I just got access to this brand new package. We're calling it The Great Speak, and it's going to give you access to 5 different top marketers in the industry who were interviewed and gave some of their best ideas, and you're going to get it completely for free. It's going to come directly from me. Nobody else is going to give this to you except for me, and it's going to have interviews that were done again with Marlon Sanders. Marlon is one of the biggest names in the industry. The guy is a behemoth. He probably even puts Dan Kahn to shame. Okay, you're going to have Cam Jennings or Cam Fats. Cam is an expert in PLR, one of the best that I know in writing PLR content. He's been doing this for years. Johnny Rose, legend in the industry. Okay, Fergal Down. Fergal is just incredible. He has been doing so much stuff. And of course, you're also going to have my own stuff, which I put together, which I very rarely share this material. This is something that is going to blow your mind when you see what I'm giving you, because I've never ever done this video before as a bonus for my customers. So this is a first for me. I can tell you that my video is going to be all about what it takes to actually become an entrepreneur. And there's a lot that you need to know in order to do it right, because it's so easy to get it wrong. Okay, it is so easy to put in the effort and then lose everything and not make any money. This is going to teach you what you need to do. But truly, even if I wasn't giving you this bonus, you have to check out Affiliate Legion. And check this out. Here's the members area. Okay, you can see here that you're going to get everything that's included here. Now, there is going to be a monthly Q&A included. Now, this is a $7 per month package. You can cancel whenever you want, so you can just get access to everything. If you don't want, if you feel it's not valuable to you, cancel it, and you still keep access to everything. But if you want to maintain access to the monthly Q&A with Dan, then you're going to need to spend your $7 a month. That's going to be something that you're going to have access to every single month. They're going to have access to. But check this out. Look at this. Look how much content there is here. That's going to teach you literally everything you need to know. Okay. Now he's going to show you how to use ClickFunnels. Personally, I'm not a big fan of ClickFunnels. It's a great product, but it is insanely expensive. They're like, what, $300 a month? You know, and of course, that's just for ClickFunnels. You still have to have other stuff. So I personally am not a big fan. I prefer WordPress. I've done it before. I use it. I love it. It's great. Okay. He's also going to show you Systeme.io, which I'm actually not familiar with personally. I don't like it. Well, I shouldn't say I'm not familiar. I know what it is. I don't like it just because I find a lot of people who like to do spam tend to use Systeme.io, but it is a cheap alternative. Okay. He's also going to show you a boatload of different methods for traffic, and some of these things I did not know about. Okay, this blew my mind when I was watching this stuff. Okay, I mean, check all of this out. This is one of the most incredible packages that I have seen in a very long time, because he's going to give you everything that you need to know. All right, and it just goes on and on and on. This is the mother lode of content. Literally going to teach you anything and everything you need to know in order to be able to build an online business that is going to make you real money. Okay, you just have to actually implement it. Use what you're going to learn from Dan, but also use what you're going to learn from me. I can tell you that my own interview that I did for The Great Speak is going to be one of the best things you're going to learn from, because if you implement what I say to do, you're always going to come out on top. You're always going to be able to make money. Okay, it is not that hard, but it does take a shift in the way that you do things. You need to know how to do things in order to be an entrepreneur, in order to make money, in order to build a business. You need to know what to do. And it just takes a little bit of effort. It's really not hard to do. And very few people are going to teach this to you, by the way. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you rock. I love this course. And, you know, I love the fact that you get monthly access to ask questions. Usually you pay thousands of dollars in order to have access. When you have access for $7 a month, that's just a bargain among bargains. So really and truthfully, this one is worth it. Grab it, you're going to love it.